Welcome back, Excel Daily Dose Basic Day 7 today. Myself Dayanand with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about today. Well, today is a function which helps us to retrieve the date of the system settings. On my system currently it is 12/29, the December 29, just 2 days to go for the new year. And this today's function is going to retrieve that day's date. For example, if I have put the today function on 29th, it shows 29th of December. The same Excel file, if I open tomorrow, it would say 30th of December, right? So this will be real time showing the calendar date as on your computer. How do we use it? It is direct and straightforward. You just have to type today, open bracket, and yes, just close bracket. There are no arguments, no separators. It is simple today function, open and close bracket. We call them as null operators or null arguments. And yes, press an enter and you get the date 12/29. And this can be kept in any format you would like to. You may go to this date and choose if you like this format. Well and good. Also, bonus tip, today function can also be achieved without using today function by using control colon. Control colon is this. This is the colon symbol. Control plus colon. If you use, you get the date. However, this will not be changing daily. So choose the right one based on your requirement. Okay, that's it for today with today function day 7. So subscribe for more videos. So thank you for watching.